In this video, we're going to look at using coordinating conjunctions to create compound sentences. In order to create compound sentences, we need to have at least two main clauses and a coordinating conjunction. A main or independent clause is a group of words containing a verb and a subject that carries out the verb. It makes sense on its own as a sentence and expresses a complete thought. For example, the bird played the drums. The children listened to music. Conjunction is a word that links two or more words, phrases, or clauses together to create a compound sentence. Coordinating conjunctions give equal importance to the words, phrases, or clauses that they connect. We can remember coordinating conjunctions by using the acronym FANBOYS. This shows us that the 7 coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Let's have a look at some examples. Suki likes ham on her pizza, but she hates pineapple. Cooper plays football every week and he has trumpet lessons. Motzi had an invitation to a fancy dress party, so she wore a fairy costume. You can see in these sentences that the coordinating conjunction joins two main clauses of equal importance. Let's have a look at the first question. Circle the coordinating conjunction that has been used in this compound sentence. Sylvia wore gloves, yet her hands were still cold. A coordinating conjunction in a compound sentence is used to link at least two main clauses. Use the acronym FANBOYS to help you remember the coordinating conjunctions. Well done if you spotted how the coordinating conjunction yet has been used to link the different clauses. The first main clause was Sylvia wore gloves. The second main clause is her hands were still cold. Well done if you got that one correct. In this question, you are being asked to tick the coordinating conjunction in the sentence below. Stefan was meant to go to his friend's house, but he was very tired because he went to bed late. Pause the video and press play when you're ready to check your answer. How did you get on? Did you use FANBOYS to help you? Only 2 of the options here were conjunctions, but and because. However, only one of them is a coordinating conjunction. The answer is but. Here you can see that the coordinating conjunction but has been used to link two main clauses. Because is a subordinating conjunction and has been used to start a subordinate clause. For our final question, you are being asked to write an appropriate coordinating conjunction to join the clauses below. Remember to punctuate your answer correctly. You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or piece of paper, or you may just wish to answer out loud. Pause the video here, and when you're ready, unpause the video to check your answer. In order to answer this question, we need to think about the acronym FANBOYS. It's important that we choose an appropriate coordinating conjunction. For example, the coordinating conjunction nor wouldn't work here because it doesn't make sense. It may help to say your answer out loud to check if the conjunction links to the clause as well. The correct answer was and. As the coordinating conjunction is being used to link the two main clauses, the full stop and capital letter have been removed. The two independent clauses have been joined to form one sentence. Well done.
Hi, in this video we will be looking at using subordinating conjunctions to create complex or multi-clause sentences. In order to create a complex or multi-clause sentence, we need 3 things: a main clause, a subordinating conjunction, and a subordinate clause. A main clause is a group of words containing a verb and a subject that carries out the verb. It makes sense on its own as a sentence and expresses a complete thought. For example, the dolphin swam in the sea. The children looked for some birds. A subordinate clause contains a subject and a verb, but it must attach to a main clause because it is dependent on it and cannot make sense on its own. A subordinate clause usually begins with a subordinating conjunction. These can be remembered using the acronym I saw a wabub. This shows us that the most common subordinating conjunctions are if, since, as, when, although, while, after, before, until, and because. Have a look at the multi-clause sentences below. After I made biscuits, I decorated them with icing. The farmer fed the sheep before the sky turned dark. Did you see how the position of the subordinating conjunction can move to the start or the middle of the sentence? If the subordinating conjunction is placed at the start of the sentence, a comma is used to mark the subordinate clause. Since Tina moved house, she lives closer to her auntie. Now let's take a look at the first question. Circle the subordinating conjunction that has been used in the multi-clause sentence. The alien screamed as a rocket launched into space. The subordinating conjunction is used to link the main clause and the subordinate clause. Use the acronym I saw a wabub to help you remember the subordinating conjunctions. Well done if you spotted how the subordinating conjunction as has been used to link the different clauses. The main clause was the alien screamed, and the subordinating conjunction as started the subordinate clause, as a rocket launched into space. In this question, you are being asked to tick the subordinating conjunction that shows that Akash was listening to music at the same time as making a cake. Akash listened to music. He made a cake. Your options are 1, if, 2, while, 3, although, 4, since. Pause the video and press play when you have an answer. How did you get on? All of the options were subordinating conjunctions, but only one showed that Akash was listening to music at the same time he made a cake. Well done if you chose the option while. Akash listened to music while he made a cake. Here's a top tip for you. Sometimes saying the sentence aloud with different options can help you work out which is a correct fit for the sentence. Hoo-yah! For the final question, you are being asked to write an appropriate subordinating conjunction to join the clauses. Samia decided to go to the beach. It was a beautiful day. You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you might just want to say it out loud. Pause your video now and hit play when you are ready. Do you have an answer? Excellent. This is quite an open-ended question, so there may be a few different responses. However, it's important that you chose an appropriate subordinating conjunction. For example, the subordinating conjunction after wouldn't work here because it doesn't make sense. Some examples of answers could be: Samia decided to go to the beach because it was a beautiful day. Samia decided to go to the beach as it was a beautiful day. How did you get on? Hoo-yah! I hope you found this video useful, all about using subordinating conjunctions to create complex and multi-clause sentences. We've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website, so why not go and take a look?